If you guys want to see how I took this wig and turned it to this, keep watching. Hey y'all, so I have my conditioner here in my container that I got from the dollar store. I'm also using the Got to Be Glued. This is the conditioner that I used, and the Adore 112 in the color Indigo Blue. So while I was getting set up, I was boiling my hot water. As you guys know, hot water helps to retrain the hair, and then I used a good amount of conditioner because you guys know that the conditioner helps to improve the feel and the appearance of the hair. So I got a good amount in, and I wanted to stir that before I add the color to make sure I had enough in to keep the hair moisturized. So once I got finished with that, I added my liquid coloring into my solution, and then I stirred that all the way out. My only wish is that I had gotten 2 bottles instead of 1. I probably would have used 1.5 instead of just 1. Then I got my Got to Be Glue. I know you guys are wondering, why did she get Got to Be Glue? But this actually helped to prevent the color from seeping into the lace. I'm telling you guys, it worked. You definitely have to get a good amount in there, and you have to let it dry in order for it to work. And then I placed her in there, and I let her sit for about, I believe, an hour to an hour and a half. So I literally almost didn't post this video because I didn't record it the way I wanted to, but honestly guys, I was so obsessed with the end results, I just had to share this. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your post notification